Good morning, viewers. You're watching News X and I'm Simran. Rekha Gupta, a first-time MLA from Shalibar Bagh in the northern part of the national capital, has taken oath as the new Chief Minister of the national capital. She is the fourth woman Chief Minister of Delhi. Accompanying her on the dais at the Ramlila Maidan were 6 cabinet ministers who were also administered oath after the CM's post. The cabinet ministers were sworn in, including Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Kapil Mishra, Ravinder Indraj Singh and Pankaj Singh. The gala ceremony marked the Bharatiya Janata Party's historic return to the national capital in power after a long gap of 27 years. But now all eyes are on what the double-engine Sarkar has to offer in the next 100 days to the national capital. Rekha Gupta has formally assumed the charge as the Chief Minister of the national capital and has commenced her official duties. The Delhi cabinet is headed by the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, who approved the implementation of the Ayushman Bharat scheme. She said that they discussed and passed 2 agendas to implement the Ayushman Bharat scheme in Delhi and to table the 14 CAG reports in the first sitting of the assembly. To provide medical care to the people of the national capital, the BJP in its manifesto had promised them to implement the central government's Ayushman Bharat Yojana to provide free treatment up to 5 lakh rupees, with the state government providing an additional 5 lakh cover for all the low income household. Mehndi Garg, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast for more. Mehndi, Rekha Gupta has formally assumed the charge of the Chief Minister post of the national capital, the 4th women Chief Minister, and also now putting the focus on the schemes that have been signed apart from the Ayushman Bharat scheme that has been ordered to be implemented for the low income groups for the healthcare cover. It is also in fact the CAG reports that will be taken in consideration as the first decision of the cabinet briefing takes place.
Well, indeed, Simran, keeping a key poll promise, we can say Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has announced after the first cabinet meeting that happened last evening that her government will implement the Ayushman Bharat health insurance scheme in the national capital. And not only this, Simran, but also in a move that will ignite the political slugfest, we can say. The Chief Minister also said that the 14 CAG reports whose tabling had alleged being delayed by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government will now be presented in the assembly as well. And after the cabinet meeting that took place, the first cabinet meeting rather, we can say, Rekha Gupta also mentioned that during the cabinet meeting, all the cabinet ministers and the chief ministers the cabinet ministers and the chief minister herself has taken 2 big decisions, in which the first one is the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, whose implementation had been held back by the previous government as per Rekha Gupta, and it will be implemented with the top-up of rupees 5 lakh from the state government, which make the scheme of rupees 10 lakh. And not only this, she also mentioned that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced the scheme for the whole nation, but Delhi could not get its benefits because of the Aam Aadmi Party government. But this will be done at the earliest after the formalities are completed. And not only this, Simran, but the second agenda of the cabinet meeting was the CAG reports. So she mentioned that there are 14 CAG reports that are pending, which were not tabled by the Aam Aadmi Party government. And now the new government, the BJP government, will table during the first session of the assembly the 14 CAG reports. And these decisions were taken yesterday after the cabinet meet of their conference head, and that the newly appointed Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has announced all these priorities of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And the implementation of the Ayushman Bharat Yojana had become a major flashpoint between the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, and MPs from the BJP had also filed a petition in the Delhi High Court seeking that the scheme be made available to the people of the national capital. But the Aam Aadmi Party has argued that the capital's residents enjoy superior benefits under the Delhi government schemes, and implementing Ayushman Bharat would effectively be a downgrade. So, this was a political rift between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP before the elections, but now, the newly appointed government, the BJP government, has taken bold decisions in the first cabinet meeting regarding the Ayushman Bharat Yojana and also taking the 14 CAG reports. Yes, Simran.
Well, all right. In fact, Mehndi, I'll request you to kindly